Hai guys, welcome back to my channel di Dohonica. Jadi di video kali ini aku bakalan open new package. By the way, aku udah copot plastik JNE-nya. Sorry banget. Dan ini by the way dari aku punya teman. Dari Black Top. Ini kayak pedesnya panas banget ya. Pedesnya bisa buat bawah. So ya, jadi kalian bisa lihat semua yang ada di dalam sini. Oh my gosh. Yeah, she give me a note. Thank you. So she give me 4 extra species. I think. Oh my god. Okay lah, it's extra. And she give me mini orange. It's so cute. Yes. So dirty. It's okay. She give me this mini cupcake too. Thank you for this. And oh my god, ada gift wrap. But there's pretty crap in there. Boleh sih buat. Thank you buat extranya. Aku beli. Jadi yang pertama aku ambil
ini ekstra bukan sih? Perasaan deh aku tuh pesennya cawa watermelon.
Fishy size watermelon. Oh my gosh. Ordered. I'm ordered cutie creative apple, not just common squishy that shaped like apple. I'm scared right now. I think it's license. Yeah, I think. Bismillah. No. Enggak, ini.
Wah, ini bukan album British bread. Tuh, bukan, ini bread biasa. Oke.
Yummy Bear donut.
I've ordered Yummy Bear donut. It's so bad.
What?
Oh my god, it's just strawberry. And it's super duper cute. But so many defected in there. Oh my god.
I will contact her.
Ini candy Panaban. Ya.
Eye bloom peach, mini eye bloom peach.
It is album picture thing. Album picture is like.
Oke. So,
Common biasa.
Spoof. Ya, jadi itu tuh cuma bohong. Aku ngerjain kalian semua. Spoof, spoof.
jadi itu worst squishy package ever itu spoof ya. Jadi jangan anggap serius. Ini tuh sebenarnya squishy aku semua. Dan ya ini spoof. Makanya aku nggak bisa sebutin all shopnya karena ini spoof. Kalau kalian kena tipu, komen down below. Kalau kalian nggak kena tipu, komen down below. Ya, sebelum video ini berakhir, request dong di Instagram aku bakal bikin squishy apa, bikin video apa. Ya, kalian bisa request. Ingin beli squishy baru. Ya, mau bikin homemade squishy sebenarnya, yes or no? Yay or nay? Oh ya guys, by the way, kalau misalnya kalian suka sama channel ini, jangan lupa subscribe. Ya, so next video, I nggak tahu mau bikin apa. Maybe squishy dish, maybe it just maybe. It just maybe, okay? It just maybe. So don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe this channel. You can follow my Instagram. I put down this my Instagram. Okay guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Aku udah pernah ngomong ya ini ya. Biar aku pakai seragam sekolah karena pingin nipu kalian semua secepatnya. Yay! Spoof, 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 spoof. Bye!